Hello children, welcome to DIY Phonics. In this video, we are gonna see letter A. Letter A. Capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. Phonic sound of A is A. A. Repeat after me, kids. A. Now we'll see some words with A sound in it. Are you ready? A. Apple. A. Arrow. A. Alligator. A. Astronaut. A. Avocado. A. Angry. A. Axe. And finally, A. Ants. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to DIY Phonics for more educational videos. Happy learning!